Hey guys, it is Greg again. I am not doing it. I'm not doing a Bitcoin update right now, but I'm showing you some stuff right here just on Bitcoin, guys. You see that it goes up above that line. That's going to be really good. That trend line I have right there. If it does breach that, that'll give me a good confirmation that this is 1-2. It's going up for a fourth wave. And then it's going to make this swing back down possibly. Just don't know where. I will start DCAing and grabbing some Bitcoin at that point. Just to let you guys know, FYI, not a whole lot, but I will start getting some Bitcoin down in that area. If it makes all this is enough confirmation for me. And then just the other information that's going on that I'm reading and studying and looking at the charts and things like that. I started to get a little bit more comfortable with this idea of getting back into Bitcoin, and then expanding beyond that, Bitcoin and Ethereum and going into the other alts beyond that. So I actually have some coins I'm long on right now that I'm just holding on to. I actually think that I'm just going to hold on to them and not sell them off and just keep them. And if I want to, if the market goes down, I'll just short and just leave them and just hedge it is what I'm thinking about doing. But anyhow, let's go to this user. A follower wanted me to take a look at this coin called TrueBit. I've never heard of this coin. I had no idea anything about this coin at all. It's news to me. It's kind of interesting to do these YouTube videos and you find out about other coins. They have, a fair amount, not a lot of followers, 35,000 followers. They've been around since 2017, 18 is about the time that they've been trading, I think. Let me check. Is that right? TrueBit, yeah. Okay, they've only been trading since 21. I guess I was wrong. I thought maybe, why does this say join 2017? Yeah, TrueBit Protocol, I'm correct here. Okay, anyhow, I'll just go back to the chart. This has got to be correct. I don't, that has to be correct. I hope so. This is interesting. They enable smart contracts to securely perform complex computations in standard programming languages at a reduced gas costs. I am just assuming they're talking about for Ethereum. I guess you could use it for some other chains, but there's other chains that are very low cost, like Phantom, for example. I think maybe their costs will go up and this would be helpful. I know for something like this for Ethereum would be very, very helpful, but then they're going to have Ethereum 2.0 where the gas prices are supposed to go down. So I don't know about this one right here, guys. Just have to check into that. So, but reducing costs, I'm assuming even with a place like Phantom and the other chains that are really, really cheap, as time goes on, their gas prices will go up. I guess AVAX had a problem with that where they were cheap and then they started just creeping up. So maybe a coin like this or, a company like this would be helpful. So certainly would be helpful on Ethereum at some points. I think gas is pretty cheap right now though. Let's take a look. What's the, but they put the Guays, yeah, up here. Yeah, it's low, 71. So anyhow, let's go over the chart on TrueBit, see what we got. And we have, look at this, a massive pump. If you caught it on the wick, you would have already had, let's say, 2.5x with this coin. This is the weekly. I'm looking at it. It looks pretty good. It looks like you're just your standard ABC. You did a corrective move, guys. Nothing, just like that. Could be a WXY, three-way move, doesn't matter. The only thing is I have an issue with it is it does have that divergence there. But in this situation, it might not make that big of a deal. That's not always accurate either, guys. So 1, 2, yeah, it's looking like an ABC, three-way B. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe not. WXY possibly. So it came down, did a correction, it whizzed down really good, and it has a nice reaction off there. So that's a sign of a bottom. That right there, guys, that's a good sign of a bottom. So this coin, the only issue I see is this. If this would have been down a lot lower than everything else, it didn't take that out. So there is a risk of it going up and swinging back around, guys, to take that out and finish it up. So let's see, this correction's over with. So it'll be a 3-wave move. You know, there's two options here. There's two options, you know, it's bullish move now out of here now. Okay. So like this, it's a bullish move out of here now. Like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all you can do is just wait, be patient, and wait 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Okay. And then all you can do at this point is see where it's going to retrace. So let's say the 5 is like that, and you can see where it's going to retrace. So you could have a 1 and 2, okay? And then you have play off this low. If it doesn't break that, and it comes down and doesn't break that low, and it goes into another bullish move, you know that that's the bottom. I wouldn't go anywhere into it right now. Obviously, I think all my followers know better than going into something in this right now. Just wait for it to correct. It doesn't break that low, it's good, especially if it makes another bullish move. Now, if it's not bullish, let's say this is a corrective move here, your 3-wave move, okay? So that would be your W. Like this. And this is your X. And it'll swing back down for Y. Those are your two options. The only thing you can do with this coin right now is just wait it out and see where it goes and where it corrects to, and then you can play it off the bottom. But I'll say that coming down, doing this and whizzing off there like that is a nice reaction so far, and it looks good so far. So I would just wait to see where it's going to correct right here like this. Wait for it to finish that up and see where it will correct to. And if it makes another move off the bottom, impulsive move, you see a lot of green coming off there, and especially if it breaks that, it might not make a super high third wave. It might just do like a diagonal. I've been studying some of these altcoins and what they like to do off bottoms. Some of them will just take moonshot, and a lot of them will make moves like this, guys. Just kind of a slow grind. It'll be impulsive, but it'll be a move like this, where it's a diagonal. And then the way with altcoins that I've noticed too is on a regular impulse, I'll show you, on a regular impulse like this, okay? That's how the way you find the third waves is the highest peak. So like this over here, if that was a third wave. On these with the altcoins, usually the highest peak will be the first wave. So like right here, and it'll come down, it'll still go higher, but this RSI will be like this, okay? Even though these are higher. I've just, out of suggestion, I've just noticed that with a lot of these types of moves with altcoins in the cryptocurrency market. So other than that, I don't have much for the coin, you know. I mean, I'll keep an eye on it from time to time to see what's going to go on. That is a nice move off the bottom, you know, at 2.5x if you caught the bottom of that wick, and it could come down and start making bullish moves. And who knows? I mean, no, I haven't even heard of the coin. Maybe, you know, they got new investors or something's going on that I don't know about them, or, you know, I don't know. I just don't know. So it'd be interesting to find out. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.